Welcome to the video, Binary Ionic Compounds Containing Fixed Oxidation State Cations. In this video, we'll determine the name of common cation and anion using the Fixed Oxidation States table. Binary ionic compounds contain one cation and one anion. When naming binary ionic compounds where the metal has a fixed oxidation state, the following rules apply. 1. The cation is always named first and the anion second. 2. A monatomic cation has the same name as its parent element. And 3. A monatomic anion is named by taking the first part of the element's name and adding "-ide" to the end. For example, O2- is oxide, and Na2O is called sodium oxide. Metals and nonmetals with fixed oxidation states. Common monatomic cations and anions are presented in the following table. Group 1A metals form 1 positive ions. Group 2A metals form 2 positive ions. Group 5A nonmetals form 3 negative ions. Group 6A nonmetals form 2 negative ions. Group 7A nonmetals form 1 negative ions. Hydrogen can form both a cation and an anion. Now we are going to go through some examples. Feel free to pause the video to think about your answers. You can always review any part of the video for help. Example 1. Name the following binary ionic compound. The name of the cation, in this case aluminum, is named first. To name the anion, drop the ending of the element and add "-ide", in this case oxide. The name is aluminum oxide. Example 2. Name the following binary ionic compound. The name of the cation, in this case lithium, is written first. To name the anion, drop the ending of the element name and add "-ide", in this case nitride. The name is lithium nitride. Example 3. Write the formula for the following binary ionic compound. Calcium sulfide. The name of the cation is written first. Determine the atomic symbol of the element from which the anion was formed, in this case sulfur, S. So the formula is CaS. Example 4. Write the formula for the following binary ionic compound. Potassium iodide. The name of the cation is written first. Determine the atomic symbol for the element from which the anion was formed, in this case iodine, I. The formula is Ki. What is the correct name for the compound whose formula is Mg3N2? The cation name is magnesium. The anion is called nitride. The compound is called magnesium nitride. What is the correct formula for the compound whose name is calcium bromide? The formula is CaBr2. What is the correct name for the compound whose formula is LiCl? The cation name is lithium. The anion is called chloride. So the compound is called lithium chloride. What is the correct name for the compound whose formula is Na2S? The cation name is sodium, and the anion is called sulfide, so the compound is called sodium sulfide. And finally, what is the correct formula for the compound whose name is potassium sulfide? The formula is K2S. Congratulations! You have completed the video naming binary ionic compounds containing fixed oxidation state cations.